Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do a little bit of crafting with the new Easy Wonder Die number 3 bundle. I had so much fun playing with Lynn's printable. This is the Easy Wonder Die guide that is designed specifically to use with your Easy Wonder Die number 3. So Lynn has a bunch of these printables on her site. The printables that go with the Easy Wonder Die number 3 are free. She has them listed for free, so you can download those. Her website is lvhandcrafted.com. So if you have the Easy Wonder Die number 3 or you have it on pre-order, you could go ahead and get your free printables at Lynn's website so you can craft and make super fun cards using this collection with her printables. This is the card that I did using her Beach Babes printable, and I had so much fun. I used the special delivery stamp set that is on pre-order right now to add some added details to this card. I topped it off with some enamel dots, and I just love how it turned out. So today I thought I'd play with the Mermaid collection. Right now the pre-orders are going on for this Easy Wonder Die number 3 collection. I think I'm going to put my order in on Friday, if not definitely on Monday. Once I put my order in, the quantities will be limited. So if you're thinking about placing an order for this collection, now would be a great time to do that. So we have the main die, the Easy Wonder Die number 3. Run it through your die cutting machine, and with one pass you're going to get 10 different cuts. You'll get this great postage grid, and then you'll get all these layering mats to put on your little blocks. You'll get a banner for sentiments and another little banner here that you can use for sentiments. There's 2 samples on the back to get you started. The Easy Postage Grid and Border 2-piece stencil set comes in really handy if you want to do some ink blending within those blocks. There's some bokeh effect that you can do in the background, and then there's this fun airmail border, which I did on this card here, and I did it the first try and I did it perfectly. So what you want to do is get an A2 size card. This is designed to fit on A2, and then you'll get that perfect border. So take a sheet that measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then you're going to line it up with this line that's etched into the stencil to create that perfect border, and then you'll rotate it to do the other side. So there's 2 stencils. One will do ink blending up to the stitch line, and the other will do ink blending within the stitch line. So very handy. This is the Wonder Die number 3 add-on set. You get a word die that says Happy Mail and a shadow. You get this awesome die here. You can use this to cut custom size postage stamps or use it as a postage border. You get layering mats with beautiful stitching. You get this really cute airplane, and there's 2 trails. One says hi, one's a heart. You get this little cute little envelope, and then you get this really nice cancellation circle. It's got little stars and circles. And for the stamp set, there's some stamps that will fit inside the circle, like this cute little airmail. So you could probably fit this one inside. The globe fits in there, and then this airmail fits perfectly in there. You could fit the shell in there. So this is really nice that you can coordinate. You get some sentiments in here: special delivery, greetings from paradise, fragile, holiday, happy mail, wish you were here. That one says travel together. So it's really fun to add those extra details to your cards. So for this one, I used the Mermaid Fantasy images from this paper pad. I stamped out this cute little postage stamp with the 25 cents. Greetings from Paradise. I did shells at the bottom. This one I did the little airmail with the waves and the 25 cents, and then the special delivery. This is the Cottage Comforts collection. This one I tore apart my postage grid and stamped a sentiment and a little scene. This one I used that beautiful paper from this month's Paper Pad Club called Watermelon Summer, and then I did the Happy Mail. If I were to do it differently, I would have done a solid color for the Happy Mail so you could read it better. This one I did some ink blending within the blocks. I did go and add some glossy accents to those images. Here I have the airmail and the little waves, the 25 cents, and the special delivery. This one I used our Lemon Gnomes pet tape, and then the Happy Mail, I stamped the little waves, and then 25 cents, and then this little stamp here. So that was really fun. For these two cards, I used our card fronts. Those are A2 sized card panels. We have several designs in the shop. I think the sunflower one would be really pretty with this as well. I just restocked that one. So today I'm gonna craft with this cute little mermaid one. So what I'm gonna do is get out the Easy Wonder Die number 3, and you're gonna line it up. You're gonna line it up so your banner's at the top here, and your grid cuts out this empty space here. You're gonna line it up evenly on all sides within that white line. So you're going to want to tape that down. And Lynn designed this so that if you are off a little bit, it's still going to look good. And then for these images here, you're going to use your add-on die. So you get your bigger rectangle and then your smaller ones. You're going to want to cut this down so it fits into your cutting machine. As long as you're cutting on the white line or outside the white line, you're good. So everything cuts out like so. Okay, so I have some extras here. So I'm going to use, this one was cut out with the add-on die. You got some stitching right on the rectangle. So that's going to go right up there to the stitching lines. I'm going to do that same thing with this one, and then these I'm going to do layers. I'm going to put like let's put some gold paper or something like that behind these 3 layers using our add-on die. So I think something shimmery like this would be fun with the mermaids. This color or this color, either one I think will look good. This one has some of that purpley blue color. I'm going to try this one to cut out my mats. I'm going to use this for my background from the Mermaid Fantasy Paper Pad. I'm going to add a little bit of copy paper behind this because I want those little circles to be really pronounced. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue behind here. So if you do pick up the full bundle, you will qualify for free shipping and a free gift. Right now the free gift is a free pack of enamel dots, a full pack. I'm going to put this panel on a little angle so we could see our background some more. I don't want to cover up all of that mermaid design on this paper. So if I were just to put it like this, you won't really be able to tell that those are mermaid scales. So I'm going to angle it and let the edges hang off a little bit. And then because I added that white paper in the background, we can really see our grid here. And then we can go ahead and glue on our panels. And this is going to lay right over the stitching. And then I'm going to layer this up with our holographic paper. I thought it was really fun with the mermaid theme. You gotta have some glitter with your mermaids, right? And then this one I'm gonna have with the stitching. So I think it looks kind of fun to mix and match. Okay, so we have some fun pieces left over to decorate the inside of the card. So I'm going to take this banner, and then we could decorate it with these cute images left over. Okay, so cute, so fun. Now I'm going to get my special delivery stamp and add some interest with our stamp set. So the design on the stamp set is a distressed style, so it's very forgiving. So I'm pretty confident to stamp with a block just because of the style. You don't need to really stamp perfect. So I thought this 25 cents would look really cute here in the corner. I'm gonna stamp with a color. Let me see, I'm gonna use, let's see, maybe this color here, Faded Jeans. Okay, so what I want to do is just stamp this halfway. That is so cute. And then let's see what else I can use. This is one of my favorites from the set. And I'm going to do that right here. And then, do I want to do anything else? I think that's pretty cute. Okay, so I think some cute enamel dots would be adorable. So this color matches her hair, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to just kind of sprinkle this around, kind of like bubbles. And then we'll put one over here. So that completes today's card. It was super fun to create this. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you do have Easy Wonder Die number 3, head on over to lvhandcrafted.com and print your printables and have some fun with your Easy Wonder Dies. If you haven't purchased your Easy Wonder Die number 3 yet, head on over to the website and place your pre-order. I expect to receive the products within 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going to be placing my order on Friday, if not, definitely on Monday. After that, there will be limited quantities. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and all of your support. I really do appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.